Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily only members live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I still think we're in a wave C, and this could be a running wave C, which means it would make a higher low and go up. But it could also be a expanding wave C, which means it would go down and take out both of these lows before it ends up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, yes, we have definitely made a move to the upside, but we do not have a breaker structure or anything telling us that this trend is over. This move up right here could very easily just be a crutch into the last move down, and it very easily could continue the downtrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame, yes, we do definitely have a breaker structure on the daily, which means that you should probably be looking for longs right now on sort of time frames. But this move up right here could be a crutch into this last move down. So while we're looking for longs, we need to pay very, very close attention to these Fibonacci levels to see if we get like a double top breaker structure on sort of time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, we should be looking for longs because we do have a breaker structure, but I still would not be surprised if this was some sort of an ABC correction. So at a Fibonacci level, if we get like a big impulsive move down, like a nice clear breaker structure, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and go back to looking for shorts because it could continue the downtrend. On the other hand, if this is actually like a wave A, a wave B, and it goes down, breaks structure, but rejects it instantly, then I would say that's an ABC correction, and I would go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely should be looking for longs because of the reasons I explained on the higher time frames. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long. This is actually a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 way pullback right now. So if it does make an engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as another long opportunity. On the other hand, if it goes down and breaks structure with momentum, I would probably switch it up to look for shorts. If it breaks structure but then rejects structure almost instantly, then that is actually probably an ABC correction. So we have quite a few of options. But if you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to how price breaks and what it does, then very likely you will be trading in the correct direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.